here's our fabulous Lucky Charms latte. Yeah. I'm gonna make a Lucky Charms latte. I'm really excited about this. I will tag the creator that I saw. I can't remember her name. These soaked overnight. They're gonna be mushy, of course, but we're not eating the cereal. We're just drinking the milk. It's pretty. Oh no. Oh! Okay. Avert your eyes for a sec. Okay. We're gonna get this piece of cereal out. Lucky Charms cereal milk, yeah. This is a double shot of espresso. I'm gonna add a little sweetener. This is monk fruit sweetener because I want this like sweet. So, all right. This looks like it doesn't have enough coffee in it. I'm gonna make another shot. Hang on. All right, here's my second shot. Sugar! No, ma'am. Okay, then yes. Yeah. Okay, let's make a cold foam. Cream. A little sweetener. Drink some of this, hang on. Cold foam on. And then I have a few of just the marshmallows. I'm gonna crunch them up a little. With what? I don't know. Pulverized. This is good. It's not nearly as sweet as I thought it was gonna be, but taking this in the car, gotta take the kids to school.